Person 1, unknown person. Person 2, Barack Obama.
So friends, as you can see, the person 1 is unknown person and person 2 is Barack Obama. Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn? In this session we are going to see how to use the Python face recognition module on Raspberry Pi 4 with the help of Raspberry Pi 4 camera module. I have already created the short demo how basically the face recognition module work. Okay, so we are going to see the step by step in this tutorial how basically it's work. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and just let's start. So friends, we are going to see the step by step how basically the face recognition module work with the Python on Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so first thing first, you need to connect the Raspberry Pi 4 camera module with the Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so I have already created the video how to configure or how to connect the Raspberry Pi 4 camera module with Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, if you don't know, simply watch the video and just connect the camera module with Raspberry Pi 4. Okay friends, so I have connect the camera module with Raspberry Pi 4. Also I have enabled the camera module. Simple. Now second thing is what we need to simply update and upgrade the packages. Okay, so simply open the terminal, run the command sudo apt update. It will update the repo. Then sudo apt upgrade, it will upgrade the packages. Okay, so I have already done the both steps. I have already enabled the camera module, also I have already update and upgrade the packages. Okay friends, so simple. Now we are going to simply clone the repository. Okay, so I have created here a GitHub repository. I will mention the link. You need to simply clone the repository. Okay, so this is what the repository. So simply what basically we are going to do, friends, we are going to simply copy the link. As you can see, click on code and copy the link, and we are going to clone the folder. So open the terminal, run the command sudo space git clone and paste that link inside the terminal and just hit enter. It will download the person detect voice folder. Okay, so I'm going to clear the screen. Okay friends, and if I run the ls command, here it is what our folder person detect voice. Simply we are going to go inside the person detect voice folder, and I'm going to clear the screen here. And if I run the ls command here, as you can see, we have here our test.py, which is our main script for detecting the person, Python script, and this is what our install.sh script, which basically we are going to use for installing the packages. Means you not need to run the sudo apt command, pip3 command, because inside that script I have already mentioned the packages, or I have already mentioned the commands. So simply we need to give the full permission and just run the bash script. It will install all the main packages. So sudo chmod 775 and install.sh, which is our bash script. Hit enter. If I run the ls command, as you can see, our script is now green because we have give the full permission. Okay friends, that's it. I hope it's all the clear so far. So now we are going to clear the screen and we are going to simply run our bash script. So sudo space dot slash, this is what our script install.sh, just hit enter. So I have already done with the installation steps, so it will just show here the all the packages is already installed, means the requirement is already satisfied. Okay friends, so you need to simply give the full permission and just run the install.sh bash script. It will install the packages. That's it friends. Now I am going to again clear the screen. If I now run the ls command, and as you can see, right now we have here two folders. The one folder is for the known people and another one is for the unknown people. Okay friends, so in the known people folder, what basically we are going to do, in known people we are going to save the images which basically a system want to know the person. Means we are going to save the images inside the known people, so person is known by our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so I have here two images. I'm going to show you inside the download folder. We have two images. the Barack Obama image is the one, and another one is the Bear Grylls. Okay, so we have two images, the Barack Obama and the Bear Grylls. But what we are going to do, friends, I just want to save the Barack Obama image is our known people image for our Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so I am going to move the only one image inside the known people. Okay, so let me save the image. So I am going to open a new tab. I am going to run the cd command, and because of the image is basically inside the download folder, so we want to move the image inside our known people folder. So cd downloads, run the ls command, sudo mv, then the Barack Obama.jpg. This is what our image name. Again, you can use any person images. Okay, friends, you can use any person images and you can create your own system. Okay, so Barack Obama.jpg, and we are going to move this jpg file inside the /home/pi, then our folder person detect voice, and inside that we have the known people folder. So enter. So we have successfully moved our Barack Obama.jpg image inside the known people folder. Now if I go here, if I run the ls command, cd known people ls, and as you can see we have the image. Okay, so now cd ... and come to the again person detect voice folder. Okay, now if I run the pwd command, /home/pi person detect voice is our folder where basically we are now inside. Okay, so I'm going to clear the screen. So now what we are going to do, I am going to start the script, and when the script is start, our camera module is on, and I am going to set the image in front of the Raspberry Pi 4 camera. Okay, I have here an image inside my mobile, and Raspberry Pi 4 will be capture that image using the camera, and it will save the image inside the unknown people. It will save that image inside the unknown people, and then it will match the image with the known people, and it will say if the person is known or if the person is not known. Means the person is unknown. Okay, friends, so now I am going to start the script. Okay, so let's start the script. So friends, as you can see, I have set the image where basically we have the Bear Grylls and Barack Obama, but as you know, we have saved only Barack Obama image inside our known people folder. So of course the system will be know only the one person, and the another person is basically unknown for our Raspberry Pi 4 system. Okay, this is how it works. So I have set the image. Okay, this is what our Raspberry Pi 4 camera module, and now I am going to start our script. Okay, friends. So friends, now I am going to start the script. Okay, we are now inside our folder, and test.py is our script. So now simply hit enter. I am going to hit enter. It's capturing the image using the camera module. As you can see, now it's captured the image. Now it will process.
Person 1, unknown person. Person 2, Barack Obama.
So friends, as you can see, the person 1 is unknown person and person 2 is Barack Obama. Why? Because we save the Barack Obama image inside the known folder. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to save the Bear Grylls image also inside the known folder, and then our system will be know the both images or both person. Okay, now I am going to save the Bear Grylls image also inside the known folder. Okay, so friends, as I told you, now we are going to save our Bear Grylls image also inside the known folder or known people folder. Okay, so we are now inside the downloads. As you can see, this is what our Bear Grylls.jpg image. So sudo mv Bear Grylls image, and we are going to move again /home/pi/ person detect voice, and known people is our folder name. Okay, now again I am move on the another tab, and here it is what our script which we just run. Now again I am going to run the script, and this time system will be know these two persons, okay, because we save also right now the Bear Grylls image inside the known people folder. Okay, now I am going to start our script again. Okay friends, so friends, I am going to start our script again. So I am going to just hit enter. It will capture the image. Okay, so image has captured. Now it's processing with the image. Okay friends,
Person 1, Barack Obama. Person 2, Bear Grylls.
so friends, as you can see, the person 1 is Barack Obama and person 2 is Bear Grylls, because we save the Bear Grylls image this time in known people folder. The Bear Grylls is basically for the known people. Okay, so this is what the idea. I hope you get the idea how basically the face recognition module is work. So I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.